Flying cars are here. The truth about urban air mobility and eVTOL. This flying car isn't new. It has been able to fly for years now. The EHang EH216S is the first pilotless passenger eVTOL to receive key certificates from China's Aviation Authority. It has flown people in test runs in countries like China, Thailand, Mexico, Shanghai, and Indonesia, showing it can work in different places and meet safety rules. The EH216S also made the first eVTOL flight using a solid-state battery, which improves flight time and efficiency. But the EH216S still has a long way before you can ride it in Boston, New York, or San Francisco. It needs more urban infrastructure, such as vertiports, clearer rules for low-altitude flights, and public acceptance. These issues show that while the aircraft works well, fitting it into city transport remains difficult. What are UAM and eVTOLs? At the center of this revolution are two key concepts. One, urban air mobility, or AM, and two, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, known as eVTOLs. Urban air mobility refers to the use of small, highly automated aircraft to transport passengers or cargo at lower altitudes within urban and suburban areas. The average American driver spent about 43 hours in traffic congestion in 2024, which equals roughly one full work week annually. This traffic delay cost the average driver around $771 in lost time and productivity. Nationwide, the U.S. loses over 4 billion hours to traffic jams every year, translating to an economic cost of about $74 billion in lost GDP. An eVTOL aircraft is a type of vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that uses electric power to hover, take off, and land vertically. Unlike traditional helicopters, eVTOLs use multiple electric-powered rotors or fans for lift and propulsion, along with advanced fly-by-wire systems for control. This electric propulsion system offers several advantages, including lower noise levels, reduced emissions, and greater efficiency compared to conventional aircraft. The ultimate vision for UAM is to create a safe, secure, and sustainable air transportation system for urban environments. This includes not just the aircraft themselves, but also the necessary infrastructure and air traffic management systems to integrate them seamlessly into existing urban landscapes. eVTOLs are often envisioned as air taxis, or flying taxis, providing on-demand aerial transportation services. The technology behind the dream. The realization of urban air mobility hinges on groundbreaking technological advancements. These machines are not just scaled-down airplanes, helicopters, or even bigger drones. They are a convergence of cutting-edge engineering across multiple disciplines. Battery technology and range. One of the most critical components of any eVTOL is its battery system. eVTOL aircraft require very high power bursts during takeoff and landing, lasting about 1 to 2 minutes, demanding battery discharge rates up to 15 times their nominal capacity. Their cruising phase uses much less power, but must be sustained over time. Current lithium-ion batteries provide energy densities around 230 watt-hours per kilogram and can handle peak power discharge for short periods, meeting basic needs for an average eVTOL. However, balancing high power output with thermal stability and endurance remains a key challenge in battery technology development. Traditional EV batteries are designed for steady power delivery, whereas eVTOL batteries must deliver short, intense bursts of energy. This is a significant challenge, as current battery technology often limits the range and payload capacity of eVTOLs, making longer flights particularly challenging. However, significant progress is being made. Companies like EHang have successfully conducted test flights using solid-state battery technology, which promises much better safety and energy density, setting a new benchmark for the industry. Research institutions, such as ORNL, are also focusing on developing eVTOL-specific batteries that can meet these stringent requirements, including rapid charging capabilities and exceptional safety standards. Propulsion systems. The propulsion systems of eVTOLs are equally innovative. At their core, they rely on electric motors, which offer distinct advantages over traditional combustion engines, including lower noise levels, reduced emissions, and greater efficiency. Many eVTOL designs incorporate multiple rotors or fans, a concept known as distributed electric propulsion. This not only provides redundancy for safety, but also allows for precise control during vertical and horizontal flight. Some manufacturers are exploring hybrid systems. For instance, Honda is developing an eVTOL fitted with a series hybrid system that uses a gas turbine to generate electricity, which then powers the motors for lift and thrust. This approach aims to extend range and operational flexibility. Other radical propulsion systems like cyclorotor technology are also being investigated for their potential to revolutionize eVTOL flight efficiency. Autonomous flight capabilities. The vision of UAM often includes autonomous flight, where eVTOLs operate without a human pilot. This is not just about convenience. Autonomous operation allows for 24/7 availability, increasing the utilization rate of these aircraft and potentially reducing operational costs. Many eVTOL designs already incorporate advanced autonomous flight technology, including automated navigation, sophisticated flight controls, and robust safety systems. Companies like Wisk Aero are at the forefront of developing self-flying aircraft, focusing on autonomous avoidance and separation systems to ensure safety even without a pilot on board. The goal is to create a system where eVTOLs can seamlessly integrate into existing airspace, communicating with advanced air traffic control systems to prevent collisions and manage routes efficiently. The development of such sophisticated autonomous systems is crucial for scaling UAM operations and achieving widespread adoption. The hurdles to overcome. Despite the exciting technological advancements, the path to widespread urban air mobility is fraught with significant challenges. These hurdles span regulatory, infrastructural, and societal domains, each requiring innovative solutions and collaborative efforts. Regulatory hurdles and certification. One of the most complex challenges is navigating the regulatory landscape. Aviation is a heavily regulated industry, and introducing an entirely new class of aircraft in operations requires extensive new frameworks. Regulatory bodies like the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in the United States and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, EASA, are actively working on establishing certification processes for eVTOLs and the broader UAM ecosystem. The certification process for new aircraft is notoriously lengthy and rigorous, focusing on ensuring the highest levels of safety. For eVTOLs, this involves certifying not only the airworthiness of the aircraft, but also the autonomy systems, ground infrastructure, and air traffic management integration. Companies like Joby Aviation have made significant progress, completing multiple stages of the FAA's type certification process, but the journey is still ongoing. International harmonization of these regulations is also crucial to enable global UAM operations and cross-border flights. Infrastructure development. The vision of air taxis filling our skies necessitates a robust and entirely new ground infrastructure. This includes the development of vertiports, dedicated takeoff and landing pads for eVTOLs, which will need to be strategically located within urban and suburban areas. These vertiports must be integrated with existing transportation networks, offering seamless multimodal travel experiences. Designing and building these vertiports presents its own set of challenges, from land acquisition and zoning regulations to ensuring safety and efficiency. The FAA has released new design guidelines for vertiports to support the safe integration of advanced air mobility. Concepts for vertiport design vary widely, from essential ground-level pads to elevated structures on rooftops and integrated urban hubs. The market for UAM infrastructure is projected to see substantial growth, indicating the scale of investment and development required. Noise pollution. While electric propulsion offers a quieter alternative to traditional aircraft, eVTOLs are not silent. Noise pollution remains a significant concern, particularly in densely populated urban areas where UAM operations are envisioned. The sound profile of eVTOLs differs from helicopters, often described as a whirring sound, but its impact on community acceptance is a critical factor. researchers are actively studying the effects of eVTOL noise on humans and developing noise reduction technologies. This includes optimizing propeller design, exploring different flight profiles, and utilizing advanced acoustic modeling tools, with NASA even assisting manufacturers in modeling aircraft noise. The goal is to minimize the noise footprint, especially during takeoff and landing, to ensure that UAM can coexist harmoniously with urban life. Public acceptance and societal impact. Beyond the technical and regulatory challenges, gaining public acceptance is paramount for the success of UAM. Overcoming skepticism and fear of flying in autonomous vehicles or even piloted air taxis is crucial. Concerns about safety, privacy, such as aerial surveillance, and equitable access are all factors that influence public perception. While UAM promises significant benefits such as reduced road congestion, faster travel times, and new economic opportunities, it also raises questions about accessibility for all segments of society and the potential to exacerbate existing economic divides if not carefully managed. Addressing these societal concerns through transparent communication, community engagement, and equitable planning will be vital for fostering trust and ensuring UAM serves the broader public good. The future is closer than you think. Despite the formidable challenges, the progress in urban air mobility and eVTOL development is nothing short of remarkable. The future of flying cars is not a distant dream. It's rapidly becoming a tangible reality, driven by relentless innovation and strategic partnerships. Prototypes and test flights. Numerous companies are making significant strides in bringing their eVTOL concepts to life. Pioneers like Joby Aviation, Archer Aviation, Lilium, and Volocopter have successfully conducted extensive test flights of their prototypes, demonstrating the viability of the technology. These test flights are crucial for validating design, performance, and safety, moving these aircraft closer to commercial operation. For instance, Joby Aviation recently completed the third stage of its FAA certification process, a major milestone towards commercialization. Major partnerships and investment. The UAM sector is attracting substantial investment and strategic partnerships, signaling strong confidence in its future. Traditional aerospace giants, recognizing the transformative potential of UAM, are actively collaborating with eVTOL startups. Boeing, for example, has invested significantly in Wisk Aero, a company developing autonomous eVTOLs. Airbus is also deeply involved in eVTOL development, showcasing the convergence of established aviation expertise with agile startup innovation. These partnerships bring not only financial resources, but also invaluable engineering knowledge, manufacturing capabilities, and regulatory experience to the burgeoning industry. The market potential for UAM and eVTOLs is projected to be immense. Various market research reports estimate the UAM market to reach tens of billions of dollars within the next decade. For instance, Fortune Business Insights projects the UAM market to grow from $5 billion in 2025 to $14.64 billion by 2032, exhibiting a compound annual growth rate of 16.6%. Other estimates are even more ambitious, with some projecting the eVTOL aircraft market to reach $28.6 billion by 2030. This significant market growth is attracting further investment, creating a dynamic and competitive landscape. Early commercial operations and future applications. Some companies are planning to launch limited commercial operations in select cities within the next few years, initially with pilots, eventually moving towards full autonomy. These early operations will provide invaluable real-world data and help refine the operational models for widespread deployment. The integration of UAM with existing public transportation networks is also a key vision, offering a seamless multimodal travel experience that could significantly reduce urban congestion. Beyond passenger transport, UAM holds immense potential for revolutionizing various other sectors. It could dramatically improve emergency response times, allowing for faster medical transport and more efficient disaster relief efforts. Cargo and logistics are another promising application. with eVTOLs capable of delivering goods quickly and efficiently within urban environments. The ability to bypass ground traffic opens up new possibilities for on-demand delivery services and critical supply chain logistics. Conclusion: urban air mobility and eVTOLs represent a paradigm shift in how we envision urban transportation, promising a future that is faster, cleaner, and more connected. The dream of flying cars is no longer a distant fantasy in some Hollywood creation. It is a future within our grasp.